Hello everyone, let's review the answers for Job Unit Day 5. In this lesson, we're learning about possessive nouns and continuing the job unit discussing interviews. Remember that possessive nouns use an apostrophe or apostrophe S to show belonging to. Let's rewrite the sentence using possessive nouns. Here, Emily is the owner of the cat. Emily's cats live in her apartment. The apostrophe S goes on Emily. Number 2, the teacher's laptop is broken. Teacher with apostrophe S. Number 3, the students. Students is plural, so we put the apostrophe after the S. Number 4, Mary. Mary is a name, apostrophe S. Mary's house is in Everett. Number 5, the girls. The girls is plural, so I'll put apostrophe. The girls' skirts are long. Remember, if the possessive noun is plural, put an apostrophe after the S. In the job unit, we're talking about interviews. Remember, when you have a job interview, to be prepared, to come early, to begin by shaking hands, say hello, finish the interview by shaking hands and saying goodbye and thank you, and then, don't worry, keep looking for more jobs. Let's sort between good and bad for interview. Okay, she's not sitting up straight, that's bad. She's prepared for the interview, sitting straight, making eye contact. Good. Folded arms, no smile. Bad. In a rush because he's late. Bad. Arriving late. Bad. Here's this one arriving early. Good. Sit straight and tall. Smile. Has resume. Good. Slouching, not smiling. Bad. Smiling, good eye contact. Good. Sit up straight and tall in the chair. Good. Cross your arms. No smile. Bad. Distracted on your cell phone. Bad. Chewing gum. Bad. Looking worried or nervous. Bad. Not dressed professionally. Bad. Dressed professionally. Smile. Eye contact. Resume. Good. Shaking hands. That's good. And looking tired and frumpy. Bad. Okay, there we go. It looks like there's more bad than good here. Next, you can watch the video and say what was good and what was bad in the video. Let's go ahead and watch and then write. Okay, that was a terrible interview. It was very bad. Some key notes that I wrote. She was not dressed professionally. She did not bring her resume. She did not prepare answers to the interview questions or prepare questions for the employer. She doesn't have any job experience or references. She answered her phone for a non-emergency call during the interview. The only good things are that she made eye contact and she shook hands with the hiring manager. Sarah will not get the job. She did not interview well. The other big problem is she only talked about her problems. She didn't talk about her strengths or her skills. You can also practice saying your answer by using the record button if you like. Okay, now watch another video and let's say what was good and what was bad about this one. All right, Adam had a really good interview. He dressed professionally and arrived on time. He brought his resume. He had answers for the interview questions prepared. He has job skills and strengths that will help him learn the job quickly, even though he didn't have experience in this type of work. He prepared a good question for the hiring manager. He asked, "What is the most important part of this job?" And when she replied, he said, "I believe in getting the job done right every time." And the only bad thing is that he didn't smile too much. He didn't smile very much. Okay, next let's watch this interview and say what was good and what was bad. Okay, Mary was very friendly. She brought a copy of her resume and dressed professionally. She doesn't have much experience in the kitchen, but her job skills and strengths make her a good worker. She shared a specific story about her last job and how she's improving herself. She shook hands, smiled, and made eye contact. Mary discussed the schedule with the hiring manager and asked a helpful question about required training. This was a really good interview. I don't have any problems to see there. Okay, one more video, number 5. Yep, this is the last one. Let's see if this was good or bad. This was bad. John had a bad interview. He arrived 10 minutes late. He did not dress professionally, and he did not talk about job skills. He did not bring his resume or answer the interview questions professionally. John is not a good employee, and he needs to improve his job skills. He was not prepared for the interview, and he will not get the job. So out of all 4 of these, maybe the hiring manager will hire Mary or possibly Adam, but certainly not the other 2. Okay, thanks for doing your homework today. Go ahead and hand in the work and submit. Thank you. Have a good one. Bye.